Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. I received a comment from my viewer. I am confusing about temperature coefficient. For example, in some data sheets mention percent per K. The other data sheet mention percent per degree Celsius. K or centigrade or Celsius, these are two different units. These are used to measure temperature. When we say water boiling temperature is 100 degrees Celsius, we say body temperature is 37.8 degrees centigrade. The water is freezing at 0 degrees centigrade. Room temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. Celsius and centigrade, these are same units with two different names. So it is mentioned in 0 degree Celsius. At each change in temperature unit will cause to increase the level of the mercury in any temperature measurement meter. Let's suppose this is a temperature scale. Here 0 degree centigrade, 0 Celsius. If we say 35 degrees Celsius, that means the weather is acceptable. If we say the outside temperature is 50 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees centigrade, that means it is too hot. When we say water is boiling at 100 degrees centigrade, that means it is extremely high temperature. In some area there is snowfall and temperature is 40 degree below 0 degree in minus. That means we can understand the temperature value. If it is minus, that means we can imagine some temperature that it is too cold. This is one scale. When we say Kelvin, that is absolute temperature. That is the possible lowest temperature, minus 273.15 degrees centigrade. When we obtain this temperature, when we cool down any body at this level, that time that body will stop to dissipate heat energy. Its molecular motion, its atom movement will be ceased. That time that body will not generate any heat signal. Above than this temperature, every body in the creature will dissipate heat signals. So it is absolute zero, absolute lowest temperature. At this level, as I mentioned, heat energy generated by any component will be stopped. Let's suppose if we see this screwdriver in any thermal imaging camera, we can see the thermal image of this device, this object, this plastic. It is generating some different heat signatures, screwdriver different signatures, black body some other signatures. Each item generates its own signals, own signatures. When we cool down at minus 273.15 degrees centigrade, we cannot see this object in thermal imaging system. So that is the lowest temperature that it will not generate any heat energy. It is called 0 K, 0 Kelvin. We decreased the temperature at minus 273.15 degrees Celsius or centigrade, so it will be called 0 Kelvin, 0 K. Each 1 unit increase here will cause to increase 1 unit here, so it will move with equal steps. That means if we will reach here at 0 degrees centigrade, it will be 273.15 Kelvin. Now if we are moving in positive side at 100 degrees centigrade, 273 plus 100, 373.15 K Kelvin is boiling temperature of the water. Here 100 degree and here 273.15. If we say 25 degree Celsius, that means 25 plus 273.15, because now it is equal to 0. When there is 0 degree centigrade, that time the actual temperature is 273.15 K plus 273.15 K. It is 298.15 K. If we say minus 100 degree Celsius, the same way 273.15 minus 100, because here 0 minus 100, now 273 minus 100, it is 173.15 K. I want to convert 100 Kelvin into degree Celsius. Now from 0 to 100 in this side, 100 minus 273.15, the temperature here will 173.15 degrees Celsius. From this 0K we are increasing in this side, and from here this point minus 273.15 we are increasing in this side. When we take reference from 0 degree centigrade, in this side minus, in this side positive. But in Kelvin there is no minus. Kelvin will refer to ceasing the generation of heat energy, that is 0 Kelvin. For example, I want to convert 50 degrees centigrade into Kelvin. 273 plus 50, it is 323.15 Kelvin. When we want to convert any degree in minus, we will deduct from this unit. Let's suppose 40 degrees Celsius. 273.15 minus 40, 233.15 Kelvin. Here degree centigrade, here Kelvin. If this video is informative for you, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.